Hello everyone and welcome to the third video in programming in Python. So in the last video we discussed about numbers and we also discussed about some mathematical operations. Sadly, I missed one small part of numbers. In Python you can declare three types of numbers, that is integer, float and even complex. We missed this complex part in the last video, so I'm going to just discuss it over here. So if you have ever gone to if you have ever studied in university, you might know that complex numbers are always declared in this way: a plus ib or iota, where a is the real part and b is the imaginary part of this number, and I is nothing but the square root of -1. So even in Python there is not many change. What we do in Python is that we declare in this format a plus bj, where I is replaced by j, but the function is same. J is still the square root of -1. So I will just take one example. Let's imagine there is a complex number that is z, and it has real part 3 and the imaginary part of z is 5. So I'm declaring this complex number. I'm hitting enter, and now I want to print this number first. Let's print it, 3 plus 5j, and now I want to find out that what's the type of this z. So I will use type method and I will pass z as argument, and let's see. So type of z is complex. So imagine, so you know about type, you know about how to write the complex number, but now imagine that I don't want the whole number. Like I printed here z, but what happened is that it gave me both the real part and imaginary part. But maybe sometimes it might happen that you just want the real number or the imaginary part of the complex number. So in that case, what you can do is that you can just access the real part like this, z.real, and you will find it. The real part of the z is 3. And now if you want to get the imaginary part of this z, you can write it like this, z dot imag, and the imaginary part of the z is 5. So in this video I just wanted to cover this complex number part because I hadn't covered it before. In the next video we will see about strings, how to write strings, and a little problem that you might face while printing strings. Thank you.